How to use the law of reciprocity the right way. What does it mean to reciprocate? To return a favor, return a compliment, or respond the same to you. In short, you react to an action, statement, or emotion by mirroring it. The wrong way. To give something or to help someone with the expectation of returning the deed back to you, one way or another. By doing the wrong way, the reciprocation, and expecting something in return for your deed from the other person, and when you see that the other person won't give you the things that you want, then you will get angry and frustrated, and after a while, you will quit of giving something or helping the other person. The right way. To give something or to help someone without the expectation of returning the deed back to you, one way or another. By doing this activity, you aren't concerned about the other person's opinion and you will enjoy it because it leads to happiness. Who are the happiest people in the world? The people who are the most careless and the people who have all the freedom in the world. Despite the fact that happiness for each and every person is different. Give and help other people, because you are a valuable person. Give and help other people, because you need to know that what goes around, comes around, and sooner or later the universe will reward you one way or another tenfold. People reciprocate when they can see and feel when you give without an expectation. And trust me, you don't want to be desperate and needy because needy is creepy.